Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So here we go again as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 surfaced. Samsung is the market leader in foldable smartphones. Both the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 have surpassed all sales expectations in 2022. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 are expected. It is possible that Samsung will also release a new form factor next year. There has been talk for some time about a rollable smartphone from Samsung. In the meantime, the South Korean manufacturer has also filed numerous patents for various folding phone models. Samsung foldable phone that expanded to the size of the Galaxy Fold, however, the hinge was positioned horizontally, rather than vertically. In this way you have a relatively short, wide device in your hands, like a PDA from the past. Earlier this month, this patent was approved, along with another variant that builds on this design. This time, the flexible screen does not have a notch, but a double punch-hole camera. The product renders show the new punch-hole camera design. The last image shows the old design for comparison. On November 2, 2021, the design patent that Samsung Electronics filed in 2019 was approved and published by the World Intellectual Property Office. The documentation contains 6 product sketches, showing the phone in both folded and unfolded position. When unfolded, the device shows many similarities with the Galaxy Fold devices. The large screen is ideal for working productively. 2 punched holes have been made in the flexible screen for a dual selfie camera. These are centered in the middle. This is made possible because the hinge is placed over the horizontal axis. As a result, this phone also folds differently than the current Fold models. As for the type of camera, Samsung has patented several variants. One of the options is a notch or a punch-hole camera. Another possibility is an under-display camera, as the company has already used with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Samsung has gotten considerably better at delivering updates to its phones in the last few years. When it comes to Android 12, the Galaxy S21 series was one of the first non-pixel smartphones to get the stable update in the form of One UI 4.0. Both the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 have also received a taste of Android 12 last month through the Korean OEM's beta initiative. The company has now released a new One Ui4 Beta Build for the 2021 Galaxy Foldables, which further refines the overall software experience. The second One UI 4.0 beta has gradually started rolling out to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 with firmware version. If you're on the first One UI4 beta, you should receive the new update soon. Due to the fact that this is a beta channel update, regular users will not get the update prompt on their phones. Well, that is it for now guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.